Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to crochet a granny square spencer. I will be making size extra small and small, but you can find the written pattern on wilma.com up to 5XL. I will put a link in the description below. If this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will receive notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this spencer I've used Lion Brand Color Theory and crochet hook size 6mm. You will need a total of 27 squares and 14 triangles. I've made a separate video tutorial for the squares and triangles. I will add a link in the description below. So go ahead and I will see you when you're done with the squares. So once you have all the squares and triangles, put them in this position with the good sides facing upwards. Slip stitch everything together as indicated here. I will now show you how to slip stitch everything together. So make a slip knot and put the squares on top of each other with the good sides facing out. Make sure that the stitches align and work a slip stitch through both loops in one of the chains in the corner. Then work a slip stitch in the double crochet. And as you can see, I insert my hook in the front loop facing you and the back loop, which is the loop furthest away. So basically that's all you do. So you make a slip stitch in each stitch in the front loop and the back loop. And it doesn't matter which stitch it is, whether it's a double crochet or a chain, you always work in the front and the back loop until the end. Make sure to use a loose tension, because you don't want this too tight. And then the last chain in the corner, and this is what it will look like. And then you continue working on the next square. And this is what it looks like when everything is slip stitched together. Put the back panel on top of the front panel, fold the squares and triangles inwards, and slip stitch all remaining squares and triangles together. We will now work on the ribbing, and it's important to always use a very loose tension. And make sure to always end with an uneven amount of rows. For the armhole, we will need to make 2 ribbings. So chain 5 and work a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and each chain across. At the end we turn our work. We now have 4 stitches in total. In row 2, we will work a slip stitch in the back loop only in each stitch till the end. At the end, turn your work. Now repeat row 2 until row 95 or until the ribbing measures 18 inches. For the neckline ribbing, we will do the same, but we will start with 6 chains. I work a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook in each chain across. At the end we turn our work and we have 5 stitches. In row 2 we will slip stitch in the back loop only in each stitch across. Repeat row 2 until row 173 or until the ribbing measures 30 inches. For the hemline ribbing, we will chain 9. I work a slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and each chain across. We now have 8 stitches. In row 2 we will slip stitch in the back loop only in each stitch and turn our work. Repeat row 2 until row 217 or until the ribbing measures 40 inches. For the armhole ribbing and hemline ribbing, sew the ends together using slip stitches. Insert your hook in the front loop of the beginning chain and in the back loop of the slip stitch. Repeat this till the end. Now use your tapestry needle to sew the ribbing to the spencer. And that's it! I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!